Organisers at the Cannes Film Festival have apologised to the producers of an Irish film whose screening was cancelled yesterday at the last minute. The screening of Songs for Amy was cancelled due to technical difficulties as around 150 film buyers and reviewers waited for the film to begin.
As the bulbs flashed and the reels rolled at Palm Beach in Cannes, the screen was blank elsewhere. A new Irish feature-length film, Songs for Amy, was due to be screened to around 150 movie buyers and reviewers. But as the crowd gathered outside the cinema, the producers were told there was a technical problem and the digital movie file wouldn't play on the big screen. The cast and crew, some are pictured here outside the cinema complex, were devastated.
Disappointing, definitely, and a bit of a hollow feeling, kind of. But we were kind of very, very humbled by the amount of people that showed up, and that kind of made us feel a bit better, because when the show was pulled, the audience actually they stuck around. Everyone stuck around just to talk to us and to chat to us.
Filmed in Galway and New York, Songs for Amy is a funny and at times heartbreaking tale of a musician trying to win back his former fiancée.
If we don't get that wedding, I won't be marrying Amy.
Lads, this is my fault, right? I'm best man. It's up to me.
The organisers of the Marché du Film at the Cannes Film Festival have apologised for cancelling the screening and have offered to screen it next year. Speaking from Cannes today, the film's producers said they were very disappointed that the cinema's technical problem had cost them such a massive opportunity. The film will get its Irish premiere at the Galway Film Fleadh on the 11th of July. Katrina Perry, RTE News.